Hello everyone. Last day we completed our fourth chapter, that means human settlement chapter. Today I will start our next chapter from same book, People India, India People and Economy, and the chapter name is Land, Resources and Agriculture. Our fifth chapter. Okay. So in this chapter, we will discuss about land use category, that means different types of land use pattern and agricultural sector also. So first, I will give some idea about land use categories of India. You must have observed that the land around you is put to different uses. Some land is occupied by rivers. Some land may have trees, some lands, some part of roads, building have been built. Different types of lands are suited to different uses. Human beings thus use land as a resource for production as well as residence and recreation. That means we are the human being use the land as a resource, natural resource. Thus, the building of your school, roads on which we travel, parks in which we play, field in which crops are grown, and the pasture where animals graze represent different uses which land is put. So, there are different types of uses of land. Land use category. Second, our topic, that is land use categories. Land use records, records are maintained by Land Revenue Department. That means the land use records कहाँ पे ज़्यादा यूज होता है नहीं होता है ये सब रिकॉर्ड होते हैं रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट में. The land use categories add up to reporting area, which is what's different from the geographical area. The Survey of India is an institute or a organization is responsible for measuring geographical area of administrative units in India. Have you ever used a map prepared by Survey of India? Last year we used a map, topographical map, which was made by Survey of India. The difference between two concepts are while the former changes somewhere depending on the estimate of the land revenue records, and latter does not change, the stays fixed as the Survey of India measurements. Okay, now the different types of land use categories as mentioned, the land revenue records are as follows. Number 1, forest. Number 2, barren and wasteland. Number 3, land put to non-agricultural uses. Number 4, area under permanent pasture and grazing lands. Then number 5, area under trees, crops, etc. Next, number 6, agricultural wasteland. Then number 7, current fallow. Then number 8, fallow other than current fallow. And next is number 9, that is net shown area. So from this chapter, some short questions will coming from this chapter. So forest, barren islands, so then land put to non-agricultural uses. These are not so much important. One important questions coming from this sector, that is what is current fallow land. So write on your copy what is current fallow land. And next is what is net area shown or net shown area. Next is land use changes in India. Land use in a region to a large extent is influenced by the nature of economic activities carried out in that region. However, while economic activities change over time, land, like many other natural resources, is fixed in terms of its area. That means some natural resources change, but land is fixed, and in terms of area it is fixed. At this stage, one needs to appropriate in three types of changes that an economy undergoes, which affect the land use. One is the size of the economy, secondly the composition of economy, and third is the contribution of the agricultural activities. Next day, that means in next class, I will discuss about the size of economy, the composition and economy, and the contribution agricultural activities.